how to remove TikTok logo from video. First of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. Once you are on the home page, navigate to a post. Now, from that post, tap on the Share button at the side panel. Then, from all the options available here, select Save Video. Once the video is saved on your phone, minimize the TikTok application. Then, open Photos on your iPhone. After that, open the recently downloaded video from TikTok. Play the video. You can see the watermark on the video. Now, to remove this watermark, we need to close the gallery and get back to the TikTok application. From here, tap on the Share button over here. Then, from the options out here, tap on Copy Link. The link will be copied on your clipboard. After that, open the Safari browser. Tap on the search bar and visit this website as shown. Once you are on this page, paste the link of the video over here. Then, hit the Download button. After that, you need to scroll down to the Download option here. Skip the ads and tap on this Download button from the pop-up. Then, go to the bottom and tap on this icon. Now, tap on Downloads. Once the video has been downloaded, open the video from here. Tap on the Play button. You will notice the watermark disappeared from the video. So by following these steps, you can easily remove TikTok logo from video.